Hello everyone and welcome to another day of Craftmas, day 11. I hope you're getting right into the festive mood like I am. Anyway, today I thought we would do some glow-in-the-dark snowflake resin Christmas ornaments. For a detailed tutorial on how to make resin glow-in-the-dark, I'll link it above and below for you because I have done a video on that previously and I won't be going into it in too much detail in this video either. But with that being said, let's jump straight in. Okay, so for this you're going to need a snowflake mold, and I found this on Amazon. I think it was made for kind of chocolates or soap or something like that. It's not designed for resin, and when it first arrived I thought it was quite thin, so I wasn't sure whether it was going to be any good, but it's actually a pretty decent mold. I'll leave a link above and below for this one, because it is quite a decent mold and it wasn't too expensive either. So you're going to need this and you're going to need your resin. I've got mine all mixed up here with the catalyst and the glow pigment. And all you're going to do is pour it into your molds. And obviously you can make these quite chunky or you can make them quite thin. It's completely up to you. Because they have got a pretty decent depth on them. Out of a cup I think I can get about 4. Just going to pour it in. Like that. And that's it really. And we are going to leave that, set it aside for about 24 hours, and then we'll pop it out and we'll see what we have. Okay, and obviously I did some yesterday, I did a batch of them yesterday, so I've got one here. You're probably not going to be able to see it very well on there, but it'll look something like this. Obviously it's in daylight, so you're not going to get any kind of glow from it. And they're nice just as like a standalone kind of ornament, but I want like a little bit of string on them so I can put them on the tree, because I think it'd look quite nice at night time for them to glow in the dark. And all you're going to need is a bit of ribbon or string or whatever, and some super glue. And again, if you're in the UK, you can get the super glue at Tool Station, and it's a really good super glue. I absolutely love it. Just want a little blob. Stick it down. And you just have to wait. And the reason I'm super gluing the ribbon on rather than kind of drilling holes and stuff is because it's just much easier. And if you're drilling holes in resin and stuff, you run the risk of cracking it and breaking it, and yeah, it can just be a bit difficult because resin can be a little bit brittle. So it's much easier just to super glue the ribbon on, and as long as you don't go crazy and start yanking it or anything, it'll be fine, it'll stay there. And once you've got one side stuck, you just want to turn it over, and I like to go kind of two little ridges in, and just glue the other side on as well. And once you're done, you'll have something that looks like this. And obviously that's what they look like in daytime, but we'll have a look. Well, I'll have to go downstairs into the bathroom to see what it looks like in darkness, because obviously it's daytime, it's too light, you won't be able to tell, so we'll go there now. And here's what they look like in the dark. And I think they look really cool. Sorry if it's a bit echoey. Look how awesome that looks. You could have a mini rave with these. But now we can hang them on the tree behind us as well. So hopefully you enjoyed that video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And make sure to tune in tomorrow for day 12 of Craftmas. I'll see you then. Bye!